Hey guys, welcome back to Ritu Pathak's English classes. Today we will learn English while preparing a cup of tea. Let's get started. Take a saucepan and pour in 1 cup of water. Light the stove and wait for the water to come to a boil. Take a mortar and pestle. Put a piece of ginger, 2 cloves and a cardamom and crush them to fine paste. Add them to the boiling water. Let it simmer for a while so that all the flavors blend beautifully. I add 1 teaspoon of tea leaves, 1 teaspoon of sugar. The amount depends on how strong you like your tea. Let it boil. Add half a cup of milk and let the mixture come to a nice boil. After it boils, I lower the heat and let it simmer. Then I take my favorite cup, place a strainer over it and pour the tea carefully. And there it is, your perfect cup of Indian tea. Fragrant, flavorful and refreshing. That's all for today. I hope you like this big vlog. Keep learning and keep shining till then. Bye-bye.